nature trail. My little one likes to pick wild berry.
Yeah.
Hi.
What are you talking about? They're blackberries.
Wild blackberry. Look at this. It's fun. And it's here. Wild
oh my
blackberry.
goodness, this one's big.
Look at my trail.
It's not your trail.
It's the community trail.
Yeah, that's better.
Let's go along to Soul River. I forgot how far is it. I'll look it up and let you know. Look, it's along is the ravine. On the side is a shallow water. I believe here you can see quiet please. You can hear the bird ringing. Sometimes I can hear the frog singing too. Look, nature, probably a lot of fish. Wildflower, wild berry, wild blackberry. My son correct me. It's beautiful nature. Every day is a blessing. Blessing every day. Enjoy your blessing. Mỗi ngày là một niềm vui. Niềm vui mỗi ngày. Enjoy when you have it. So show me what you have.
I have a handful of wild
blackberry. Thank you, boy. Enjoy your blessing. God bless you.
Mom, do you have a bag?